Similar to Bitcoin, Ethereum is a cryptocurrency built on blockchain technology. The difference between Bitcoin's blockchain technology and Ethereum's is that Ethereum's blockchain is programmable. It is a decentralized, open source blockchain with smart contract functionality. In other words, Ethereum is a programmable development platform for finance and money. It was initially proposed and developed by Vitalik Buterin, one of Ethereum's main co-founders. The development was crowdsourced and is now a community open source project. So what are smart contracts? Well, right now, typically, when you want a transaction to happen, you usually go through a centralized service. For example, if you want an Uber, the processing and facilitation of that transaction goes through Uber, and they get a fee for completing that transaction. Another example of centralization is eBay. When you buy or sell something through an online marketplace, the centralized service, in this case eBay, processes and facilitates the transaction between the seller and the buyer, and as a result, they earn a fee. So Ethereum is what's known as a proof of work blockchain technology. So there are also miners validating transactions, just like Bitcoin. However, they are in a process of migrating to Ethereum 2.0, which will become a proof of stake blockchain, which will have much less environmental impacts and also be a lot less costly in terms of fees on the network. On Ethereum, programmers are creating decentralized apps, also known as dApps, where the processing of the contract is automated, like in the example of Uber and eBay. Basically, a smart contract will have conditions, and the Ethereum network will facilitate the contract if those conditions are met. A smart contract in this context is just like a program that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. When people refer to Ethereum, usually they are referring to the cryptocurrency of Ether. Ether is used to pay for the transaction fees on the Ethereum network. Now, while Ether can be used as a digital currency, the value of the Ethereum network is so much more. The Ethereum network can also be used to issue assets in the form of tokens. So a good way to visualize this is to think of Ethereum as a road, and the different cars and trucks on the road as different tokens and applications that run on the Ethereum network. Now, there are many different tokens that are built on the Ethereum network. These are more commonly known as altcoins, which we will cover more in a separate video. The ecosystem of dApps include many different applications, and here are a few examples. Uniswap is an exchange for Ethereum and other Ethereum-based tokens. One cool feature is that users can deposit tokens into a smart contract, providing liquidity and then earning tokens as rewards in return. Power Ledger is an operating system for new energy markets, enabling tracking and trading of energy, flexibility services, and environmental commodities. Kitties is a game centered around breedable and collectible digital cats. Each cat is one of a kind and 100% owned by the user and cannot be replicated, taken away, or destroyed, all using the power of Ethereum. Each of these examples are innovating on how people transact on the internet. And it's not just about exchanging just a digital currency anymore. It's about revolutionizing different industries like finance, entertainment, record keeping, and much more. Digital art is also being disrupted through Ethereum technology known as non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, and also through decentralized autonomous organizations known as Dows. Now, Ethereum has recently passed an upgrade called EIP 1559, which may move Ether to becoming a deflationary currency. Now, if this plays out as many believe it will cause Ethereum to become more scarce, and therefore its value is expected to rise a lot faster. Understand that Ethereum is just one blockchain. The world of crypto is very deep, and you can find yourself researching many kinds of blockchains, many of which we actually cover in the breakout solution range of products.